Hello, it's that time. Speech with Ms Vicki. I'm sorry, I was a little late today. I just got back from my golfing. Brought along my golf club here. And there are some crazy golfers out there, you know. I had to wear my goggles just to keep my eyes from getting smashed. Goodness sakes, have you ever been golfing? Say golf. Great. We're going to talk about the letter G. All right. Oh, before we start that, let me take a seat. Let me take a seat here because we definitely might need this little mouth puppet guy here. Okay? This little puppet is going to help us to produce the sound for the letter G because that sound is made when your tongue pulls back and kind of scrapes the sides of your teeth. Your tongue pulls back and pushes the back of your throat, and it makes a voiced g, g sound. G, g, g. Did you do it? Good job. Oh, you know, I thought after we got done with all this, I might be able to sing you a little song and play my little guitar. Yeah, yeehaw. I don't know. That doesn't really work with a golf hat though, does it? I don't think so. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? I thought this would be a great challenge. Here we go. I brought me a gallon of water. Here's a gallon of water and a glass to drink it in. And my goggles are steaming up. I must be getting warm. You guys are getting foggy out there. Oh, did you hear that, G? Foggy? These might have to come off. I think I can't see you for very well here. How about we put my goggles on top of my hat? How's that? Oh my goodness, I'm a little warm now. Woo! I could wear these goggles. I brought these along. Or we could try, well, let me check them out. What do you think? Oh, I am styling now. Whoa! You say, go girl. You say it, go girl. Good job. Or I could wear these. Those are swimming goggles. You got some swimming goggles? Oh, I think I'm going to lose the goggles on the top of my golf hat if I'm not careful. Oh my goodness. Alrighty then, here we go. So I brought along a glass. Say glass. Great job. Say glass one more time. Good. Glass is actually a G blend. Remember we talked about blends before. Blends are those sounds when there's two letters close together. Two letters side by side and they make a sound together. But since it starts with a G, we're going to use a glass and my gallon of water. I was going to use my mug. This is a coffee cup, and the other name for a coffee cup is a mug. Mug. Good job. G, g. That word ends in G. The G is at the end of the word. Okay, so I got another gallon, and I thought we would check and see just what we found in here. And every time you say g the right way, I'm going to take a drink of my water. And then we'll see how much water will be gone. Gone. Say gone. Did you say it? Good. Gone from my gallon of water. This is amazing. I might float out of here, but we're going to try it anyway. So here you go. You're going to watch. Here we go. I'm pouring the glass of water. The glass. Say glass. Did you say glass? That one doesn't count though. It can't count because I'm losing my goggles again. Let's not do that. Oh, it's getting warm in here. Okay, so here we go. So I've got my glass of water and my gallon of goodies. A gallon of goodies. Here we go. All right, the first thing we're going to say is goldfish. Goldfish. You say it. If you say it, I'll drink the water. Ready? Goldfish. Gulp. Oh my goodness. This is just going to be a lot of water, isn't it? You're going to say a lot of words, aren't you? Oh my heavens. Okay, so I gulped my water. Say gulp. Good. Oh, you said it, huh? Whew, that means I need to drink another gulp. Here we go. Next word. Do you know what it is? Did you figure it out? It's gold. Say gold. Great job! Did you say gold? You did? Well, that means I have to drink another gulp of water. Okay, I will, but you go g, g, g for me. One more time. G, g, g. Okay, since I made you do it 2 times, I'm going to take 2 drinks of water. I'm going to gulp 2 drinks out of my glass. Yeah, ready? Gulp. Gulp. Oh my goodness. I'm getting a little full and it's getting a little warm in here. Good thing I'm drinking cold water and not hot water out of my mug. Say mug. Ah! Okay. Don't forget to tell me to drink if I forget. Okay? All right. This word. Say this word. Say it. Did you say it? Good. It's gate. You got it. Gate. Good job. Should I go into the... Oh. Gulp again. Ah! Look at... Oh. There went my golfing hat and my goggles. Oh, goodness. And I need a hairdo. This is just crazy. Here, I'll put my golfing hat back on. It's less scary that way. How's that? Woo. Do I look good? Good? Do I look good? Woo. You know, I needed galoshes for today. Galoshes. Do you know what galoshes are? Those are those funny little boots that you wear in the rain. Say galoshes. Great job. I'm drinking for galoshes. Gulp. You say gulp. Oh, good job. I think I'm going to float away. All right. Oh, I forgot. We said this word, didn't we? What is it? Can you see it? Can you see it close? It's a gate. Gate. Here we go. Oh, I gulped some more water. It's getting scary in here. Here's our gallon. Here's our gallon. There's things in here, not cards. Oh, what's that? What is it? Did you say goat? Did you? Good. Good. I'm glad you said goat because now I have to gulp some more water. Okay, here we go. I might float away. Ah! Okay then. Should we reach in the gallon jug again? Oh, again. Did you hear the G in the middle of the word? Again. Again. That was a G. Ah! Which means what? Oh no! Oh, okay. I've got it. I've got it. That's 2 G's. That's 2 gulps. You say got. Say again. Say gulp. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, right? Again. You say it. Got. You say it. Gulp. You say it. Go. Here we go. That's 4 gulps. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. That glass is empty. I gotta pour more. Ah! Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Goodness is a G word. Say goodness. Okay, I'm gonna, say gonna. How many gulps do I have to take now? You guys are really fun. Okay, say go. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4 gulps out of my gallon of water. Oh, I'm not sure I'm going to make it with the whole gallon. That's a lot of water. All right, you ready for the next word? Woo! Yep, this is going well. Okay. Say gas. Did you say it? Gas. What's gas used for? Yes, it is. It's used for a car. Great job. What was that? It's a guitar. Say guitar. Look. Let's rock and roll. Yeah. Oh, I guess we better not rock and roll. We're not done yet. Besides, my tummy is kind of sloshing a little. Must be all that water. And I just named 2 more words, right? We said gas, you say it. And we said guitar, you say it. And I'm gonna gulp. Ah! You guys are making me cross my eyes. Look, ooh, that's a lot of water. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Gulp. Did you say gulp? Don't forget to say gulp when I drink. Ready? Gulp. Did you say gulp? Ah! Okay. Whew. Here we go. What's this? Did you say ghost? Ooh, it's scary. It's a ghost. Ghost. Good job. Can you say goat? Say it one more time. Goat. Can you say gum? Good job. Can you say go away, kitty cat? This is Thomas. Say goodbye, Thomas. Go away, kitty cat. He wants to see what we're doing. All right. What did we say so far? We said goat and ghost and gum. Oh my, ghost, goat, and gum. 3 gulps. Oh, here we go. You say ghost. Gulp. Say gum. Yep. Are you using those muscles? I'm using them to gulp with. Say gulp. Hey, I forgot. Another great way to practice is to gargle. Can you gargle? Let me show you. There's a lot of water in my tummy right now, in my gut. Ah! Okay, here we go. Ugh. Normally I would spit that out. That's pretty gross. Okay, but that's a great way to practice your G. Did you know that? If you gargle with a little tiny bit, I only took a teeny sip of water. If you put a little sip of water in your mouth, in your throat, and you gargle, that helps to strengthen those muscles for the letter G. It does. For the G sound. G, g, g. If you hear a funny scratching sound, that's my crazy cat Thomas again. He's playing in a box. He does that. All right. So the next picture I found was girl. You say girl. Great. Yeah, I did really well. Say girl again. Okay. How many times was that you said girl? Did you say it 2 times? Oh, good. I'm really proud of you. Okay. I'm going to gulp this water now. Here we go. Gulp. Gulp. It's getting harder. Okay. I hope our gallon jug is getting empty. Gulp. What's that? This is something that ends in G. Can you say pig? Say pig again. Say pig! Good job! You guys are amazing! How many times did you say pig? Only once, right? Just once? No, it was only one. Okay. I'm gonna gulp. How many times? 2? Maybe 3. Okay, say gulp every time I gulp. Here we go. Gulp 1. Did you say gulp? Okay, here we go. 2. Did you say gulp? Good job. 3. Did you say gulp? It's almost gone. It's 2 glasses. Say glasses. Good job. Now say gulp. Great job. Woo! Ms Vicky's getting really full here. We don't have many things left in my other gallon jug, which is great. All right. Oh, what's that? Check him out. He is a gorilla. Can you say gorilla? Did you say gorilla? Good. I'm really excited. I'm just giggly because you said gorilla. I'm giggling. Okay. My glass is empty from my gallon jug. I'm going to pour some more water in my glass. Oh, goody. I'm glad you said gorilla. Here we go. Say gorilla. It's getting harder to swallow. Now say gulp. Good job. Uh-oh, I said good. I'm drinking it. Did you say gulp? Good. I'm really glad. What's this? You're right. It's an egg. It's an egg. Okay. Egg ends in G. Yeah. I shouldn't have to drink because it didn't start with G. What do you think? What do you mean, drink it anyway? All right, here we go. Gulp. Gulp. You got it. Great. This is so fun. Okay, guess what? Uh-oh, I said guess. You say guess. Say gulp. Say goodbye. Can you say goodbye? Goodbye. Now say gulp again. Guess what? Ms Vicki has gulped and said G words and drank like a lot out of her gallon of water. And now she has to go. Boy, does she have to go. Thanks for doing the letter G with me today. I'm really full. I'm going to slosh all day now. Thanks a lot. Keep practicing. I love you.